Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. So, would you turn on your video? All of you turn on your video. Anush, yes, good. Sohan Kumar,
Yes,
how,
sir.
how was the day?
Sir, nice.
Nice. Chinmayi,
Yes, sir.
yes, how was the day?
Sir, good.
What work you did today?
Sir, in our school, the cabinet meeting is there.
You are elected.
Yes, sir.
In which team?
As a cultural leader.
Yeah, good. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can anyone recap our previous class? Kruti,
I did the
yes.
class.
What, ma?
So I did the class last week. Should I only recap or any others will do?
Okay, okay. Dhanalakshmi?
So in the last class, we learned some basic stacks like inserting color has a background and font style in VS Code.
Gagan Gowda are there? Gagan Gowda?
Yes, sir.
So, would you introduce, recap the previous class?
Yeah, okay, sir. Yes. So yesterday we were doing the HTML in VS coding. It was just an introduction in which we saw how to write tags, and we also saw that tags were pre-built. That means when we enter the starting 2 or 3 letters, the remaining tags would pop up. And second of all, we learned how to insert an HTML on a folder and
Okay.
link that on VS coding.
Yes. So, what is the full form of CSS?
Casted style.
Cascading. Cascading style sheet. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Gagan.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, today in CSS, we are discussing about the syntax. Okay. So, first I will show how to use that one. Okay. First, what is syntax? So, syntax for writing CSS in a single line. So we are writing the code now. So for example, tags. So that tags we have to write in single line means that is called syntax. Okay. I will share my screen. This visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can anyone suggest me how to open VS Code? So before that, one second. Before that, I will open PowerPoint. Okay, I will write the code here. So already I told to you, so the syntax for writing CSS in a single line. Okay, why we are using the syntax to write a code in a single line. Okay, so actually this syntax has one second. Syntax. So why we are using the syntax for writing
Code
CSS
in a single line.
in a single line. Okay, in a single line. That's why we are using. Okay, so this syntax has consist of two parts. How many parts syntax has consisted? Two parts. Okay, two parts. So that two parts are, one is selector. One is what? Selector. And second one is declaration. Okay, second one is what? Declaration. We know that now. So CSS full form is cascading style sheet. So it is used to style HTML document. In the last class only we learned about this. So now we are going to learn about the syntax. Syntax, why we are using the syntax? For writing CSS in a single line. So this syntax, it is divided into two parts. One is selector and second one is declaration. Selector means what? So we have many tags are there in CSS and HTML. Okay, so what are the tags are there? So that one selector. After that, we have to give the value a property for the content. Okay, for example, okay, so we have a P tag. P tag means, P means what?
Paragraph tag.
So we can write, for example, WeJump CSS 2. Okay, then how to close the paragraph tag?
P slash
By using slash.
with a slash.
So we are using the slash. Okay, this is the to close the
Paragraph tag.
Okay, here P is there now. So this is the selector. This is the selector. Okay. So next here WeJump CSS is there now. This is the content. Understand? Okay. P is the what? Selector here. Which is the selector here?
P.
P is the selector. P is the selector. Understand? And declaration. Okay, P is the selector and WeJump CSS is there now. What is this?
Content.
No.
Content.
Declaration. So we should write the declaration. Okay. How to write the declaration? For example, P. Okay. So to write the declaration, we are using the cursive braces. Okay. Cursive braces we are using. Okay. Then you can write the tag. For example, background color. Okay. Background color, for example, black. For example, only I'm giving. So this is the, then afterwards you can close the cursive braces. Okay. So here P is the selector. P is the selector and background color black is there now. This is the declaration. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So P is the selector and what we are written in the cursive braces, this is the declaration. Okay. So in this declaration also two parts are. In this declaration also two parts are there. So first one is first one is background color is there now, and background color black is there. So this background color is there now. This is called property. What? Property. Okay, second one. So this is the property. Sorry, spelling wrong. PRO. This is the property. Which is the property here? Background color. Color is the property. So after that, yeah, this is the property. This property, we should give the value for that one. Okay, what is the value of that property? Black is there now. Okay, so the second one is value. Second one is what? Value. Okay, so declaration has two options are there. Sorry, two types of declarations are there. First one is property. Second one is value. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubts. Okay. So now I think you understand about the syntax. So syntax very simple. I will repeat. So syntax means for writing CSS in a single line. Syntax has two parts. So one is selector and second one is declaration. Okay. So first we are using many tags in HTML and CSS now. Like that we are using, you can select any tag. Okay. So for example, we have selected P. P means paragraph tag. So in the content we are written WeJump CSS that much only. After that we have to close the tag. So here, so we should give the what? So we have to do something in the CSS because we have to make a design now. That's why. So yeah, P paragraphs. So this paragraph we need to make at least some designs or styles like that. That's why we are using this what declaration. So P is the selector and declarations are background color. Okay. So this declaration also has two options are there. One is property and value. So background color is the property and black is the value. Okay. Now anyone you can suggest me, for example, H1. H1 means what?
Heading one.
Selector.
Heading 1. Okay.
Selector.
Okay.
Selector.
First, okay, I will start H1. Heading 1. Okay. Heading 1. So you can write anything. Okay. For example, Vandana. Vandana is the heading. So I will close the tag. I will close the H1 tag. So this tag we need to make it colorful. What can we do? How to write?
Background color.
Background or font.
Yeah, very
Font
simple.
color.
Font color.
H1, that's all. See, H1. After that, open the what? Curl braces. Then you can write. If you want to change the color, and write the color. Okay, for example, green. Okay, close it. So here color is the what? Color.
Color is
Declaration.
Color is background. Color is
Color is
property.
a property.
Property.
Okay, green is.
Green is a value.
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 I think you understood about this one, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubts?
sir.
No, sir.
Diksha HN.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just recap the syntax class now.
Yeah, syntax is nothing but to write a code in a single line. Syntax
Okay.
has two parts. That is, one is selector and another one is declaration.
Very good.
Selector is nothing but a collective tags like P, P tag, H1 tag, and many other tags, bold, italics. Those are called selectors. And a declaration is nothing but consist of property and a value. Example is like font size is a property. And if you give the font size like 15, then the 15 will be the value. Property consists of value. Property is the thing that needs a value. Declaration has two parts, property and value.
Okay, good. Thank you, Diksha. Okay, so shall we do the work in VS Code? Shall we check how it will work?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
after that, after completing the VSS code work, so we can try it Notepad also, because many students are not submitted their assignments in the last week assignments. Only Gagan Gowda has sent the assignment. Okay. Okay, I will open VS Code. Okay. So here last class what we did is here. Okay. So shall we continue here or shall we open the new file?
Sir, continue here.
It is not good. Shall we open the new file?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
to open the new file?
We should click on file.
We should click on file.
File.
Okay, we should click on file because this is WeJump CSS is there now. This is the folder. So in the under this folder we have created already one pbc.html. So we should create a new file, means click new file here. Okay, then enter the file name. Okay, pbc2. Shall I give 2? After that what can we do?
.html.
.html.
HTML.
.html. Okay, pbc2.html. Click on it, so it will come here. Okay. Okay. So anyone suggest to me how to write the code? What is the first step?
HTML tag.
HTML
Okay,
tag.
HTML tag.
tag.
Okay, HTML tag. Okay. Then
Head.
Head tag.
head
Head
tag.
tag.
Okay. Then
Title tag.
Title
title.
tag.
Okay, 1 second. Title tag. So what can we give? What is the title we have to give here?
WeJump CSS.
1 second. Next. Title. Tag. Shall we give the title?
Yes.
WeJump CSS. WeJump CSS. Class 2 shall we give?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Class 2. Okay, this is the title. Okay, after that,
Body tag.
Body tag.
Okay, body tag. Body. Then
You should write the body of the letter.
we should.
Write the body of the letter. Start a paragraph.
Okay, here in. Okay. Then here shall we use the style tag? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So style tag we are using style tag. Okay. Style. Okay. So first, okay, after the style, you can give the, so you can open any paragraph tag. Okay. Paragraph tag. Okay. You can enter any paragraph. Is it correct? No, after style. Okay. Okay, you can say any words about the paragraph. Any sentence or any words?
WeJump is a global community.
Okay. WeJump. Okay. WeJump is a global community. Okay. So the paragraph is here. WeJump is a global community. So this paragraph, we need to make some styles for that. How to make that one? It is very simple. So click. So you can use. So now we can use to which one we are using here now. See how to use. So WeJump CSS, for example, here WeJump is a global community is there now. So this one we need to make it some changes. Okay. So here how to change? Which one we have to use here now? Which is the selector here?
P
Paragraph
is the
tag.
selector
P is the
paragraph.
selector. P is the
Selector.
selector. After that, what can we do?
Open the
Curly.
flower brackets.
Open the
Open
flower
Open the
bracket.
flower bracket.
Open the cursive braces. Okay. Open the cursive braces. Then you can write what do you want.
Color.
Change the color.
Background color.
Color.
Background color. Color or background? Okay. First one color. Okay. Color. Which color?
Purple.
Purple.
Blue.
Where is the purple? Okay. Type it purple. It will come purple color. Okay. So if you want to write the next property, so just you can use the semicolon. Okay, just you can use the semicolon. Okay, then click enter. Then you can write next property for that declaration. Background color.
Yes, sir.
Background color.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Background. What color? Sorry, 1 second. Background color. What?
Blue.
Blue.
Aqua.
Just make wrong. Background color. What? Aqua.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we want next declaration.
Font size.
Font. Font.
Font.
Yes.
Family.
Font family. Okay. Which one here?
Algerian.
Algerian. Algerian is not coming. Arial. Shall we use Arial?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. After that, so I will say this file. Okay. Let's check. So what is our file name here?
PBC2.
BBC2.
PBC2.
We call
PBC.
it. See, WeJump is a global community. So what are the background color we have given and the family, sorry, what are the family font family we are given, it will be appear on the screen. Okay. Same methods you can change to next one also. For example, I will write here after the P tag, I will write what? H1. Shall we use H1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Open the bracket. H1. So you can
Yes,
give any.
sir.
Okay, you can give suggest any one word.
WeJump brings people together.
Hmm?
WeJump brings people together.
WeJump bring
People together.
Okay, enough. Okay, shall we create style for this one now? So after
Yes,
this,
sir.
no need to worry, just you can enter. What we enter here now? Which is the selector here?
H1.
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 Type H1 and next what? Cursive
Flower bracket.
Flower brackets.
Yes, sir.
curly braces, open curly braces. Next you start to write the designs. Okay. What can we do now here?
Color.
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 Okay, color. Which color?
Pink.
Brown.
Brown.
Okay, brown. Next. Sorry.
Background color.
Background color.
Background color. Background color. Okay. What? Okay. Which one we have to give?
Beige.
Okay.
Beige.
Okay, blue, green, I gave blue. So shall we add on border? Yeah. So last week we have some little confused about that. So we can add border for the H1. Just we have to add border. So you can give one pixel. Next, then what are the type of color? Solid, black. Solid black or blue. Blue already is given. Okay. Bollywood I will give. Solid Bollywood. Okay. Now let's check how it is work. Click file and save. Click on it. Just click refresh. See. So you got that one. WeJump together. WeJump brings together that it is possible to see the border. It is not possible to see the border. Just change that one. Color. Border one pixel. Change the color. Solid. Which one you have? Green shall I give? Solid gray, yellow. Okay. Control S. Why it is not appear? The border of pixel correct, solid, green, yellow is correct. Everything is correct. Any problems are there? Okay, give the space. Right. Save. Okay, don't bother about that, the border. Okay, we'll see afterwards. So this is the way to create our syntax. Using the syntax, we can create a style for the what declaration and also property, value, and selector. Any doubts?
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, no doubts. So same one shall we use in Notepad.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you
Yes,
can
sir.
create this one in the Notepad. Okay, create and share it in next class.
Okay, sir.
So, do you have any? So, if you have any doubts, please ask me now.
No, sir.
No doubts. Okay, if no doubts means just you can leave the class. All the Pushpians, please stay here only. Only Pushpa student, please stay here. Others, you can move. Sorry, you can leave the class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Diksha, Jivita, Payal, Risha, Vedasri. Please stay here only.